welcome back to MoFX Gaming. As you saw in the last video, I put a new studio light. And now it is on, so hopefully that'll look good. So today we're going to be reviewing this XC5219 waterproof rechargeable speaker from Jaycar. Lucky have a light. So I'm taking off these little tape seals that I've already taken off. We can now lift it up, and on the top it says, with Bluetooth technology and NFC technology. So, opening the box we get a little instruction manual, the pretty beefy speaker itself, a nice orange colour. And over in the corner, a micro USB cable. I've got plenty of these now. And a mini auxiliary cable. That's all the contents of the box. But before we go into unraveling the plastic, let's have a look at what it says here. So the specifications say it's got 2 times 3 WRMS output power. Frequency from response is 90 Hz to 18 kHz. It's 4 ohm impedance, and its sensitivity is 80 decibels, and some plus sign line on the bottom, 2 decibels. S-N ratio is about 65 decibels. Its distortion is about 1%. Cycle time, this is the charge time, sorry, not cycle time. It's surprising, this has got a 3.5 to 4.5 hour charge time, and the use time is 4 to 5 hours. It's got an 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery, and dimensions are 186 millimeters long by 62 centimeters high and 56 centimeters diameter. That's what it says in the box. I'm not going to read the other text. So, let's have a quick look at the instruction manual. Opens like this. So it's just telling me the specifications: charging the battery, Bluetooth pairing, near field communication, aux link, and buttons. So, without further ado, let's take the gorgeous plastic off. And it exposes this rubbery feeling case kind of thing. And under this flap should be like the charging port. Oh, come on. So, ooh, nice. So we got an aux port and a charge port there. And it comes with a carabiner. Let's unscrew it. Now my friend, who's the cameraman, usually is away in this video as well. Waterproof rechargeable speaker, model M53, IPX4, power consumption 6 watts. So we put this, unscrew it again, chuck it back on. There we go, chucked on. Also, let's screw it up again. And on this side, I don't know if you can see it, there is, let me have a look. On button. Don't know if you heard that. Right, let me turn it off. Bluetooth pairing button, phone button, skip buttons. That's that. So you heard that. Let me see if I can get it to do it again. That sound. That means it's on, and it's looking for a Bluetooth. Now I'm not going to connect it now, because I don't preferably want to use it at the time being, but squishy rubber, it's nice. for, oh, how much did I pay for this? It was on a car park clearance sale, so this cost me $15. So, guys, this is a quick unboxing of a XC5219 is the part number for this waterproof, portable, rechargeable speaker from Jaycar Australia. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and let's have a comment down below to see how loud and how good the bass in that is on this when I do the review. Okay, that's all we have for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.